guys, welcome to my video, and today this is going to be my thumbnail of today. I think this will work. I don't know. I hope so because it took me forever, so I'm going to download it. Downloading it. Okay. Download image, and then I'm going to go to YouTube. You're just seeing all the things I'd be watching. Yes, I'll be watching Sophie Dossie. I be watching satisfying videos. I do not be watching this or this, I'll be watching stop motion videos. I don't be making them. I'll be watching her, but I don't really like her, I have been watching her, but I have been watching crazy stuff like this. Okay, let's go to my channel. Okay, so we're going to go to here, my channel. Oh, I want to show you guys. Oh, yeah, here is the place where I took my thumbnail. Is she still? Okay, so her name is right here. Her username is stat right there. I want you guys to see her channel, and I hope you go look at it. Cookie. Cookie. Okay, got it. Got it. Oh. She got the skates. Guys, she got the skates. Guys, she got the skates. Okay, so her username is Donkey Donuts. YouTube. Her name is her YouTube channel name is Donkey YouTube. And she have clothes. Oh my gosh, she's just so cool, and I'm just so aware of my channel is bad. And guess what? Today is my mom's birthday. Please like and subscribe and show her some love to my YouTube channel. She was probably born somewhere somewhere at 11 o'clock to 12 p.m. So show her some love by liking and subscribing and clicking that notifications and showing my channel to your friends and telling them please to subscribe because that would be lovely and that would make me so thankful. Yeah. So let's check on my video. Okay, so it has downloaded. So let's look at it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's look. Oh my gosh, it's here. It's here. It's finally here. Even though I've been here since I made it. Show my mommy some love. Okay, here is today where I'm learning how to make a thumbnail. So yes, do video and stuff. Yeah. That's like basically all I did. And that was in my other video until I accidentally showed my mom's Gmail, so I definitely didn't post that video. So that's why I'm making this video, and I don't know what it's going to be about because I already made my thumbnail. So yeah. Maybe I should post my video. I should see if I'm going to okay, let's go to my channel. Let's go to YouTube Studio. And we're in YouTube studio. Guess what? Today it's raining and snowing on my mom's birthday. I'm so happy that it's raining and snowing, but I don't think my mom is. But I am. Have you guys been brushing your teeth lately? You should go brush your teeth. There have been 0 viewers on this. I mean, it freaked me out when I saw I was going to get banned from this video. You guys should totally check this video out, and yeah. Let's go to video. I can't believe I actually got 1 subscriber since 28 days. Well, 5 subscribers since 28 days. This one that was 13 minutes long right here. It was when I was talking with me and my friends, and I was on Zoom with them, and yeah. You guys should start liking and putting down your username in the comment below if you guys want to be in my videos, and that would be a very pleasure, and I would be so thankful if you guys did. That would be lovely. And whoa, this had 10. Whoa, this had, oh my gosh, I haven't looked at my oh, that had 10. Wait, 10 comments? We gotta go back. Okay, 17. 10 comments. We gotta look at the comments. We gotta go look at the comments. Okay. I think they put down their, I think they put down your username and I didn't answer. Oh. Oh my god. Wait, why did I don't remember asking him to subscribe to my channel. I thought he was just like, I don't know. Well, let's go to create video because I'm wasting my time. I only have like a few minutes left talking to you guys. So yeah, okay. So let's see if it's in here. The video the picture I just made. Let's look. Please be in here. Please be in here. What the heck did you just oh my gosh, it always doing this, and you just, oh my gosh, this is so weird. I keep on doing this, and I just, oh my gosh, I keep on doing this, and you know what you do? What? I'm gonna copy this. I copied it. I'm going to YouTube. I'm going to move this thing right down here. Where I can click on Roblox and then move you guys back up. Why ain't it moving? Why ain't you moving? Move it. Why ain't you moving? Why ain't you moving? Okay, you can see all my tabs and stuff, so we're gonna move it up, but you won't look at that, you know? We just, dang, why is that wind blowing so hard? At 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. We will have some more snow and rain. So if you're like in Michigan something, you're gonna expect snow and rains, you know. Okay. Oh, why did I pick a Switch account? Why would I want to switch accounts? I want to keep my own out. Same for you. Sorry, I'm singing. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, I do not have any like TikToks or Instagram or whatever you guys be doing. I only got Roblox, and you know, stuff. If you guys please, just please, at least give me 100 subscribers, I'll be very happy, and you guys will make my day very great. How do I? But how do I add this to? Poop. Moop. Poop a moop. And I don't even say it. I don't even care if I did not say it right. It cut boop. View. Poop poop a boop. Poop a moop. Poop a moop. Okay. Let's get serious, people. Serious. I say serious. Keep on going down until I see the screen shot. And I do not see the screenshot. Going to wait, no, it's called poop poop moop. Poop moop. Poop moop. What? I thought to make the file today. Let's just copy him. Look, this is dot. What? It's called personal. I don't know. Let's look at captions. Oh, yes. I got a lot of videos taken, you know. Okay, a lot of wind picture things. But you know. I really wanna work on it. Wait, 2, 10. Oh my gosh, wait, let's, oh my gosh, wait, oh, I have to do it. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Okay, well, whatever. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Please, at least, please, just give me some 100 subscribers, and I will do a face reveal. And yes, I'll keep the face reveal. I would just have my face in a corner or something. And yeah, thank you. Bye.